God help me now that day. God help me.
I've seen ladies do Ghana weaving on themselves. I'm like, what species are you? Because you cannot be human. What species you are? Are you from Mars? The final look. Let me know what you guys think. Did I do well? So you pick one, you go like this. You pick another one, you go like this. Then it's like an entry one into the other. So today I'll be making cornrows, and just wanted to show you guys this product. It's Mark Anthony coconut and shea butter. It's what has been really helping my hair here. And currently my hair is too, but I have not gotten my relaxer yet, so I have to make do with leave-in conditioner for the moment, especially now that my roots are stronger than normal and they need to be relaxed. So making do with this, and it's been really helpful. And it's Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. This is not the one I wanted to get, but this also works. It's the Bond Repair leave-in conditioner. Just going to try and see if it can get into my wood. Then I would comb it. I'll be yours to keep. I'm your centerpiece. Make the canvas speak. When you draw me in, look at what you started. By the way, I've never made my hair myself before, so this is going to be my first time. Just making a part, because I don't know, I'm one of those girls that don't like just straight cornrows. I always like a bit of design. Here my cornrows. I cannot just do like straight cornrows. I feel like it doesn't fit my face. So I'm going to use this 3-way mirror now. The trick to wearing patterns is to get a straight line as much as you can. Use a 3-way mirror to help you see what's your pattern. It might not be 100% perfect, but just continue. As I say, practice makes perfect. Just continue patterning and get something that you know that you can weave it. I'm going to apply this to the roots of my hair. This is quite thick at those areas. This would also help me quickly make it. I don't know if you can see it through this mirror, but that's what I'm currently using. My expense with it. Yeah, this is actually quite tiny. I think I should have made it a bit bigger. So my nail is stuck in between one of them, so I'm just going to find out.
You could have had it with me, but instead you gave it up. Tell me when is it gonna get to you? Everybody needs somebody, but I can't be a fool. When they ask you questions about me, tell them how you probably could have gone places, but you were too impatient. Can't handle feeling out, you'll stand out, you don't know how to fall. So tell me, you don't know, 'cause I'm up now, so just like you pretend.
I think I did a good job. You can see it from the mirror here. I think I did a good job for the first one. For my first time doing my hair by myself. So I'm just going to continue. One thing is I didn't even measure it, so let's see. This is my measurement. So measure my hair is due. It needs to be relaxed, so it might not look as neat as it's supposed to be. So I'm just trying to add more hair here to cut small so I don't slip here. So I'm going to turn and so I'm going to cut the back. We'll see what I'm cutting at the back.
Cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like.
So I think another trick is to pick a little at this side. If you notice when you start making the hair, this place is always thinner than the top. So this side is smaller than this side. You can also apply gel. I don't want to apply gel on my hair, but I think I may still do it by the end of the day because this hair is quite due. Okay. Shine and jam. So back to using my leave-in conditioner again so that my hand can go through, my fingers can go through my hair. One of the reasons why you should relax your hair as I've explained to you. Anything I've not even gone to an African store here, which I'd come, but I don't think they will have my relaxer. That's the issue. So it's not many people use beaver. Except I want to change it, and I'm not ready to change my relaxer yet because it still works good, pretty good for me. I didn't cut this part here, so I'm just going to loosen it. think I put brush in the front. That wasn't intentional. Well, remove. Guys, my hand's already paining me. I really don't too. My hand is paining me. This is one job I knew that even when I was in school, there was this class we used to take. There was this class I took when I was in uni. So you have to learn how to make hair. Not on yourself, by the way. I only took that class because that was the easiest class to take, and I didn't want a lot of work because I was a medical student. I just had a lot of things to do. So I didn't want to add that to it. I didn't want to add anything stressful. I think there was shoemaking, there was tailoring, I think, I'm not sure. Then I can't remember the like shoemaking, maybe tailoring and hairdressing because I was in hairdressing. Not that I'm taking, I want to relax my hair. When I'm done doing it, I'll just, when I'm using one, I'll relax that one. I'm using another one, I'll relax that one. This is another one. That's how I'm going to relax me. I'm not going to leave everything there now. This is when I'm not done relaxing everything. Then for those that don't know how to say it, you're just using like, I think this two. So you pick one, you go like this, you pick another one, you go like this, then like an entry one into the other, you enter one into the other.
God help me now that day. God help me. Help me.
With this,
God help me.
I don't think I want to make braids myself. I'd rather save up and just go to the salon and do it once and for all. I've seen ladies do Ghana weaving on themselves. I'm like, what species are you? Because you cannot be human. Like, what species are you? Those of you that can make Ghana weaving in your hair yourself, you guys really need to tell us what species you are. Are you from man? Again, you need like two. If you're left-handed, you're going to, it's going to be your more dominant hand than right-handed. So it's like this. You pick like this. You pick. Then take this one into this one and start weaving. That's the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Did I do well? I think I did well to an extent. And catch you guys later.